Hello there, Hopsters here. Today I am making some tinola, which is a Filipino version, or in my case it'll be Americanized version of tinola. I have 3 parts of chicken here. This is chicken thighs, chicken liver, fresh livers, and some drummettes, which is the wing parts of the chicken. I have basil, tomatoes, and my serrano peppers, which is finger peppers, my opus squash, my chayote squash, napa cabbage, which is Chinese cabbage, and my ingredients: soy sauce, bay leaves, peppercorn, and my Himalayan sea salt, and other stuff to give it flavors. And here I put all my aromatics, which is the onion, ginger, garlic, and lemongrass. Oh, that smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells so good. Then in goes all the chicken parts. And I have to brown it for a little bit to give it some colors. Now that the meat is browning, I had to transfer it to a deeper pot for the liquid. Then in goes the 2 cups of water. My tomatoes. And my bay leaves. My peppercorn. And just give it a stir. A little bit of my Himalayan sea salt. I'd say about a teaspoon, because I'm going to put soy sauce in there, so I don't want it to be too salty. And I'll just wait for it to get a little bit tender, and I'll put soy sauce, then 2 cups more of water. And in the meantime, I'm cooking rice. Ooh, that looks good. Just waiting for my pot to boil. My tinola. Okay, so now it's boiling. Put my serrano pepper. I think this is like the Visayan version of cooking of tinola. I don't know. Smells good though. Looks good. So yeah, after the peppers, after it's softened, I'll give it another 5 minutes in the pot. And I'll put my vegetables in there, and my tinola is done. So yeah, the Hapster's making some Filipino tinola, which is American version. So tell me what you think about that. Please comment, subscribe, give me some love. Thank you all for watching. Bye now.